Welcome to Progneo, where innovation meets excellence. We're proud to be at the forefront of the evolving digital landscape. Our flagship product, Audit, has transformed the audit and inspection domain. With blockchain-backed reports, we're embedding trust byte by byte. But our devotion to innovation doesn't stop there. We offer a free-of-charge blockchain service, bringing data security within reach of all. Our expertise expands to comprehensive web applications development services, SAP implementation, support, and seamless integrations. We're not just crafting solutions, we're sculpting the future. At Progneo, we're not just shaping tomorrow, we're shaping today. Join us on our journey to sculpt the future.